Welcome back to the wonderful world of Ryan. And today we went to the Central Park Zoo in New York City and we saw this. It's a Victoria crowned pigeon. So the Victoria crowned pigeon's scientific name is Gura Victoria. All right. But before we begin, go ahead and hit the subscription button below and the notification bell above so that you can find out about when we have new and exciting episodes. All right, so the kingdom is Animalia, the philo is Chordata, the class Avis, order Columbiformes, family Columbi, genus Giora, species G. Victoria. All right, so let's talk a little bit about this crowned pigeon. Victoria crowned pigeon is a large bluish-gray pigeon with an elegant blue lace-like crest, maroon breast, and red irises. It is part of the genus Gora, or four unique, very large ground-dwelling pigeons native to New Guinea region. The bird may be easily recognized by the unique white tips of its crest, by its whooping and sounds made by calling its name. Its name commemorates the British monarch Queen Victoria. So it is named after Queen Victoria. So if that's what you were wondering. Okay, the description. The Victoria crowned pigeon is a deep blue-gray. As you can see right there. It's a deep blue-gray color with a small black mask. Its feathers, crest, the signature feather-crowned pigeons, other than their size, is conspicuously white-tipped. On the wing coverts is a row of feathers that are pale blue-gray with maroon tips. These form a distinct wing bar. The chest is deep blue purple maroon color. As its crowned pigeons, melanisms have been observed. The other two crowned pigeons are somewhat specifically similar. Okay, we don't care about them. These species is typically 73 to 75 centimeters long. So this one was kind of a shorty then, because I'd say it's about 40 centimeters long. Some specimens may exceed a length of 80 centimeters and in weight up to 3.5 kilograms, which is 7.5 pounds. It is marginally larger than the two other crowned pigeons on average, thus is considered the largest surviving pigeons of Earth. The standard measurement among pigeons on mainland New Guinea are in the wing chord is 39 centimeters. Oh, I didn't see that. Okay, that makes sense. They're about 30 centimeters tall. Yes, okay, so that's probably the traditional size right there, the one that I have in this video. Okay, the bill is 3.2. Okay, this all makes sense. Unfeathered torus is 8.5 to 9.8 centimeters. Like other crowned pigeons, this specimen makes a loud clapping sound when it takes flight. The mating calls of the specimen are similar to the other two specimens of crowned pigeons, consisting of a deep hoot, 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 hoot sound when defending their territories. These birds make a responding whoop, whoop, whoop call. Their contact call is deep, muffled, and rather more like or hum. The two subspecimens of Victoria are the GV barricole, found in the mainland of New Guinea, and GV Victoria, the nominate race found on the land of Yapin, Bayak, and Sumpuri. The nominate species are smaller and wing chord measures 31 to 36. Habitat. The Victoria crowned pigeon is disturbed by the lowland swamp forest of northern New Guinea and surrounding island. It usually occurs on areas that are allured plains, including sago forest. Those, though typically found at near sea level, occasionally birds of the species may venture up into the hills to an elevation of about 3,000 feet. They fly from tree to tree every day. Behavior. Like other crown pigeons, the Victoria crown pigeon is a gregarious specimen. They usually travel in pairs or small parties as they search for food. They walk in an unherded gait along with forest floor. Their food typically consists of fallen fruit. Birds of their species in captivity are particularly fond of eating figs, seeds, and invertebrates may occasionally supplement their diet. When disturbed, these birds fly straight up into the canopy of a large horizontal branch or a large forest tree. After being disturbed, they may remain on the perch for a considerable time, emerging in contact calls of flickering their tails. In the wild, the species tend to be shyer than western crown pigeons, but still occasionally be quietly approached. The males regularly engage in aggressive displays of established dominance in these interactions. The pigeons puff up their chest and reportedly raise their wings as preparing to strike their opponent. They also make short dashes at each other and may occasionally hit one another, but rarely make contact by completely peaceful towards males outside their mating. Breeding peak lasts in wet season and the dry season. The male displays a female, however, the egg is incubated around 30 days, and the young leave the nest after 13 weeks. So I was talking to the zookeeper, and she said that this one, he likes to preen. It's a male, and she said that he preens all the time, and it's very, very interesting. So they are a near threatened species of bird. Now that's all the information I have, so thanks again for joining me on The Wonderful World with Ryan, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell above. Thanks again.